Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell on Dexscreener. Okay, so we're starting out on Dexscreener.com, and right over here on the homepage, if you have not signed in, on the bottom left hand side there will be a sign in button. Go ahead and sign in, and here we're going to come down to Moonlit. Alright, of course you can choose any option over here, so you can see there are quite a few. But I'm in Moonlit, and here I'm going to just use this very top one over here, this top token, as a sample. You can see here is its chart, and you can see all of the previous transactions. And over to the right hand side, you will see this window pop up. Now, right over here at the bottom where it says insufficient funds, you will see a connect wallet button. All you need to do is click on it. You then have to connect either your Phantom wallet or your MetaMask wallet, whatever wallet you're using, and then it'll be connected. Once it's connected, you can make sure that it's on the buy tab over here. So if it's on the buy tab, you're going to go and select how much you would like to buy. And then you can go down over here. You can change the slippage in percentage, and then you're going to go and click on buy. All right, you can also see if you go over here, there are a few other options. And if you want to then, in the other case, sell, all you need to do is click on sell. So this will be the sell interface. You're going to do the very same thing. You're going to enter the value or the amount of which you'd like to sell. You can change the slippage over here, and then you are going to click on sell. It's literally that easy.